Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, my favorite people. Hope you guys are doing good. Oh, this hair. This hair. Look at how luscious. Look at how luscious these braids are. Oh my god, so pretty. Anyway, that is not why we are here. We are not here for this hair, okay? You guys saw all about this hair in the last vlog, obviously by now. I have a full face of makeup on because one, I actually created content earlier today, and two, I have a birthday bash to attend. I know. Alma, you're always going out. Alma, the queen of outside. Yes, I agree. It's not my fault. I was on my own. My mother called me some days ago and told me, get ready, on Saturday we are going for a 40th birthday party. Who am I to say no? I can't say no to something like that, okay? I have to go and enjoy myself, enjoy my life, all right? But yes, anyway, I am excited for the birthday party today. It's one of my mom's acquaintances, and she's turning 40 today, so it's a proper birthday bash, and it's an all-white party apparently. And you guys saw probably in the last vlog or the vlog before that, I don't know which one now, I went over to BB Artistry, my friend Blessing, and while I was discussing with her, I just told her, see, I have this birthday party to attend over the weekend, and it's an all-white party. I have absolutely nothing to wear. And she was like, you're going to wear that. And she pointed at one particular dress that been entering my eye on her Instagram page, and I'm like, no, I can't wear this dress. It's just too much. I'm not the celebrity. She's like, Alma, you're an influencer. You are Alma. You have to wear this dress. You have to make a statement. I'm like, gosh, I didn't really want to wear this, but Blessing insisted, and who am I to say no? And this dress, guys, it is beyond stunning. Like, I just hope when I enter there today, they will not think I'm the one that's doing birthday. I love BB Artistry so much because they always do like the most exquisite pieces, you know. If you want to attend an event or something, a wedding, and look unique, that's BB Artistry. Just tell her that Alma sent you, okay? Anyway, the dress is inside the BB Artistry bag, and she's also going to be styling me. Like, each time I have like an appearance or I have to go somewhere, in addition to other brands that I usually work with when it comes to styling, I have added BB Artistry to the list, so expect to see more BB Artistry pieces. Let me show you guys what this dress looks like before I actually wear it, so you guys will actually see what it actually looks like. I've said actually like 5 times now, but I don't care. Let me show you. When I showed my mom the video of this dress and I told her I'm wearing this for that party on Saturday, she was like, you are wearing this? You are? How can you be wearing that? I'm like, it's not my fault. I don't have another cloth to wear. They say all white, and this is the only all white thing I have, so please pardon me, dear. You would see the beauty when I actually do wear it, but this is what the dress looks like. I know, guys, I know it's a lot. It's a whole lot, but look at that. This fabric screams extravagance. That's what it screams, okay? I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like on me. Thank goodness I have makeup done already. I will just change my lip color to red and I'm good to go.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it.
Momsy is wearing white too.
Wait, I never wear shoes.
Oh my god. Momsy, chai.
If you go in for cucumber, no. What's that yam? What's that massive? I just stop. She will answer me as if not your question.
All white. Come on. You got a feeling. It's electric.
I'm going to honor one of my girls.
Come on, one of your girls.
One of my girls. I'm going to honor her. She's 40 today.
Yeah.
Ayere Omozega.
Yeah.
But she's known to us as AY. She's 40 today. She's my girl.
She's your girl.
My fashionista.
Yeah.
So I want to go and honor her.
Yeah.
It's an all-white party.
And who is your +1?
And +1 is Alma Ngo.
Come on, mommy.
My +1.
Come
Alma
on.
Ngo. General Manager Finance, the CBN of the work of
Please round of applause for her. We have Alhaji Kabiru Mohammed. Almost wherever you're seated, Chief. We're going to have to singing. Please, in case your people have not chosen the song.
I know now.
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
All right. Celebrate. Are you ready? This song. They wanna know. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that girl?
So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young, and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me,
Only Richard MOFE DAMIJO. I believe we don't have Neko children here. If you watch Checkmates, those days you will clap out for this man. The one and only RMT. I've been wait to make a shake my brother. Hey, BBB. I am your son. You are my mentor. God anoints me, anoints me. Let's say. It is everything.
give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
Let's go. Hey.
If you love me right, if you love me right, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
We're just here to thank God for the life of this great woman. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready for the first time, ready, sir. If you're ready, let's go. Wherever you are seated, just be shaking your body in celebration. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you're kicking me out. And got my head spinning, no kidding, cause I can't put it out. I'm on your magic mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hits me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du...
AY, 40 is just a number. And they said that life begins at 40. So I say to you, rock on, sound health of mind and of body, many beautiful years. And I wish you love, I wish you joy, peace, happiness. And I pray that the love you have for your husband and your children will continue to grow stronger and stronger. Many happy returns, my dear. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
I am grateful for the person that you've made me today. Every decision that I make, I will make it with you in mind. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me. I love you so much. I love you, Mommy. Aww. Mommy, I love you so much. Happy birthday. I know you have been waiting for this day since. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Go to the audience on your way back, yeah? This table, don't go to this table, don't go to this table. Every other table you can go to. Yes. And whatever I tell you to bring, if you have it on your body, don't bring it from your body, collect it from the audience. Go to the audience on your way back, get me a 1,000 naira note. Let's go, please your music. Hey, ladies hand bag, let's go, ladies hand bag. Ladies hand bag, ladies hand bag. Alright, you will go to the audience on your way back. Well, I'll be like bicycle. Listen very well, no. You will take the bag from the person that I collected it from. Listen, no. You will take the bag back where you collected it from. On your way back, get me the right leg of a man's shoe.
Right.
This shoe belongs to an Igbo man. When you see Igbo man shoe, you will know. Raise it up where? Raise it up where? This other shoe belongs to this person will get this shoe. Now Hausa man get this shoe. Alright. You will return the shoe. Hey. On your way back, those of you that are still holding back, you will drop the bag when you go back home. Listen very well. You will drop the shoe. On your way back, get me a man's cap. Cap. My sister wear the cap. You went to carry African China cap. And I mean, Felicia, my sister, you carry tattoo man cap. African China. I didn't tell you. Let them know. When they will tell your children when I wear African China cap. You will return the cap. Listen very well. Listen very well. On your way back, listen very well. On your way back, get me a driver's license. Let's go, DJ. On your way back, get me a GT Bank ATM card. GT Bank. The ATM card you are holding. On your way back, get me a voter's card. Voter's card. Who get this kind of voter's card? A faceless voter's card. Let me see your voter's card. You are going to return. Listen first. On your way back, get me a $100 bill. Can I see $100? But she bring her now again. Bring her, come outside. You see your bring it out, my sister. No worry, sit down.
60K.
Now what did I do like this?
I hold 60K. 60K.
Relax. My sister, no hold her, hold yourself. Oh. Sit down, one bushy. I be waiting for you. Sit down. What's your name again?
Wabush.
Yeah.
Who
Who push? This is the final. You will go to the audience on your way back. Get me iPhone 13. Can I have you part of this place? After 40 is what?
50.
You're going to echo more than that. After 50 is what?
60.
You know, by this time now, you don't need prepare to become grandma. You understand? After 60 is what? So now you be going for Mugo. You understand? Different part of the world. Just to go and take care of your grandchildren. After 70 is what?
80.
At 80, now you be carrying your grandchildren with your husband. You be going to Seychelles. You know, after 80 is what?
90.
She never cut her cake because the Bible says at 100 we are still children. You know, a child will die at 100. After 90 is what?
100.
100. At 100 she's still balling because she's still a child at 100 according to Bible standard. After 100 is what? Why your cake? She said she no one die at 110. How is it your business? Is it your die? Answer for me, Ajara. Are you Ajara? Is it your die? Hey, after 110 is what?
120.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's 120. Can we put our hands together for her? Where your husband? You don't see that? 120, now she want me.
Happy birthday at what?
40.
Okay, can we all do it? 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Happy birthday!
Balance, balance, avec la robe, baby. Ingen, nan, nan. They were finding a dance, but no rules, and I träffar någon sam.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of Nigeria's finest caused a revolution in Nigeria and in Africa. Well, he's not a China man.
TIMI African China.
If you love somebody, what is
You're looking good. You're looking good.
If you dey laugh, what you dey laugh, our God, go just come from your pocket.
Pussy, jag smakar lite, jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vad du finns, ja.
Take small, just take small.
Let me hold it when I get to my town.
Say short.
Pussy, jag smakar lite, jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vad du finns, ja.